Hey guys, this is Adrian. Once again, another fun video. I'm gonna show you guys how to set up a Forex chart with what I do with my strategy, how I trade, guys. So I'm gonna show you this right now, guys. All right, here we go. Now, right now, you see we're going with Australia and USD, right? Now, this I like to set it up in a weekly first, and then I go down and I'll show you my strategies, what I do, guys. It's gonna be a powerful video, man. I mean, you can make money with this video right here because in the forex market. All right, check this out. All right, we're looking at this screen right here. This when you first open the screen with the forex market. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna right click, go to properties right there, and then I don't like all this grid stuff right here. So you just gonna this picture right here will show you what you're doing. Okay, bar up. I just do it simple, guys. White. That's the buy. The bar down, go red. That's selling. That you selling. Bull is the white, and then the bears market is the red. Okay, so we got that all set up right there, right? All right. And first thing I do, guys. Okay, now you see the candle set up on the weekly chart right there, and you can these the ticks right here. These ticks. I don't even know how to use them, so I won't even do that. And these the candles right here, and there's also guys right here is it just lets you know the points real good. So let me see if I downsize a little bit. All right. Now, first thing I look at it, first thing I would look at this chart, guys, is that I know is a downtrend. Now, it had a push up, and this the lowest for a lot of years. So, first thing I'll do is I will draw a support right here. So I know it's not going further than that. And it had a push up, push down, retrace. So this was technically a uptrend because it's a weekly chart. So people that got in right here and rolled all the way up made a lot of money. Now, second thing I would look at how high it went up. So I put another this is how I just diagnose my charts, guys, and see what it's gonna do. The second guess is it went back down right here, went back down right here, went back down right here. So do I believe it's gonna go back down right here? So I put another line right here. I say right here. So do I believe it gonna go back right here? No, it's a 50-50 chance. So and I'm betting my money that it will hit this. So I will you know believe that, and then I'll put my stop loss above this right here, guys. Above this right here. Okay. Now we're gonna change it to the candles, guys, so you can see. Let me blow it up a little bit so you can see. This the last candle that happened Friday right here, guys. So Sunday when it opened back up, do you believe it gonna go back up? Because this candle right here showing that it wanna sell to lease this line right here, guys. And how I know because it hit it so many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's the point that I'm trying to explain to you right there. Uh, we had a strong buy candle right here that you can see, very strong, but it was rejected that you can see at the resistance line right here, the the ceiling, I call it right here. It was rejected also, rejected, 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 and it broke it a little bit, but not that much. You feel me? So it tried so many times, and this big candle right here, I thought it would probably break it and probably fool a lot of people that was in this trade, guys. They put a buy in because it's a long candle, and then this week right here, a whole week candle, it broke it. Boom. So I believe what's going to happen is this thing going to come down, and maybe it's starting to uptrend, guys. And I love, join the team with an uptrend, but I know it's not an uptrend yet because what I do is check if it's an uptrend. I get my moving average right here, okay, the 200 moving average, and I'll just click OK. See, let me shrink this down a little bit for you. See, it's not above the 200 moving average because it's still a bearish market. So until it break this high, I won't put a buy in, guys. Right here, you gotta break this on a weekly chart, and then I'll put a buy in because I know it's an uptrend now, and I'll start at the beginning, guys. But right now we had lower lower lowers, lower lowers, lower lowers, lower lowers, lower lowers, and then we finally broke a little bit higher, but still far from the lower lowers from up here, guys. So I believe what we're gonna do, you're gonna come down to right here at least on a weekly chart. Each candle represent a week, at least right here, and then I decide what we're gonna do. I see if I want to get and keep on selling, because then once I know by confirming by this candle right here, I know what it's gonna do. They want to touch this right here, guys, and then bounce back up, and then get back, and then I catch these pips up to on the up waves. But this is the exhaustion right here, yeah, and then I ride it up. But right now I believe it want to touch it again, or even touch this point right here, guys. Is that little end of that needle right there? But this is how I set my chart up. Then I study my chart, why the market closed right now. They opened back this morning, particularly opened up Sunday at like 6, something like that, 6 or 7. So right here, I'm betting on this right here. I'm betting on that right there, guys. The next candle that come, I think it's gonna reach this right here. Maybe it take 2 or 3, 2 or 3 weeks or 2 weeks or something like that. But I believe we're gonna reach right here, and then I get out that trade and watch and see what it's gonna do on the daily time frame. And so I'll go to the daily time frame. This is the next part I'll do, guys. Monitoring. Now this is the daily time frame right here, and it's more for day traders. And I'm a day trader. I'm a swing trader also. It depends. If I ain't betting too much money, maybe 10 cent or maybe 20 cent pip, then I'll be a swing trader because I know the overall, and I can look at the daily chart, guys. As you can see, the highs, it already push it and then go higher than this, then go higher than this, and it brought it back down. So I believe that it want to touch this right here, guys. We had a nice little uptrend for sure, but I believe it want to break this the 200 moving average back down a little bit. So that's what I'm betting on, guys. And you can see this last candle right here, it brought the price down lower than this candle. So I believe it's definitely gonna hit my target right here. And that's making money, guys. All right, guys, I've been just telling you some of my strategies, guys. And hey, man, if you have any questions or you want to speak about something on what you think, what Australia and USD gonna do, shoot a comment below. So because I'm in this trade right now, guys. So if you have a comment or you believe different, for sure, tell me the why. All right, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, because I'm all about making money, affiliate marketing money, Forex money, and much other money. So, all right, guys, peace and love. Happy weekend. Stay safe. And always love from your boy. Hey,